you asked me 5 years ago, would we be doing what we're doing now in the tool room? Absolutely not. But with the Mantle machine, we can do it.
Heyco does a lot of wire management. All of our products basically surround a wire that goes into the wall or supplies power. We have 33 molding machines that range from 55 tons to 310 tons. We run 24/7, about 350 days a year. Currently, we use the Mantle to do not only new product development, but we also use it to do a lot of R&D work so that we can flush out designs much more quickly. We're able to go within 2 weeks from design base to running a part in a press.
Prior to the Mantle machine, in order to develop any sort of tooling, we would do it the old-fashioned way. Mantle has helped change the process because we've eliminated a significant amount of secondary operations that would normally require the effort from a fairly skilled toolmaker. The Mantle machine is going to print the most intricate feature without any effort required from the toolmaker itself.
Now we're spending more time building internally and using the Mantle process to help speed that up, utilize the current toolmakers that we have to get more accomplished. Things like this cavity here, where you can see how intricate the parting line is and how offset it is, plus all the deep burns that it would have had in here.
In my opinion, the largest savings is truly in the sinking detail. The amount of secondary operations required to make this conventionally would most likely have taken anywhere from 40 to 60 hours and multiple electrodes in order to sink and create all this geometry you're seeing. With the Mantle machine, we were able to produce a cavity of such significant detail and require minimal secondary operations.
This particular part here is an internally and externally threaded component. We needed to make a change to the external threading and printed an insert on the Mantle machine. The thread detail is very crisp, very clean. We didn't have to do anything, and then we were able to put it in the mold and run parts that are fully functional, gauge properly, and seal on the threads. It was an easy 2-week savings over conventionally making this part.
It's like having another toolmaker in the building.
We have individuals that are just starting out, and we have tool makers like Tony here, who's been in the trade for 40 years.
It fills in the gaps of someone who just started and someone who's been here for 40 years. It's exciting.
And this is where the Mantle machine helps us a lot. We're able to make molds in-house and tooling in-house a lot faster.
When you're at somebody else's mercy, you have a lot of exposure to not be able to relate to the customer's needs. And Mantle really allowed us to start bringing more of that in-house with much less capital per tool. From that standpoint, Mantle has helped make us more independent and vertically integrated internally.